Welcome everyone, I would like to try to fix your Xbox Series S controller not connecting to your Xbox Series S console. So the first step is I want you to actually pair your Xbox Series S to your phone or your tablet. And the reason why you want to do this is because there may be a bug where your Xbox Series S isn't properly, wanting to just pair with the Series S. It needs to pair with another device first. So what you're going to do is you just want to get your phone or tablet, and I'm just going to show you this right now. So on your phone or tablet, so I have this iPod Touch here. What you're going to do is just unlock it, and you just want to head over to settings, and then head over to Bluetooth. Make sure that you're on the Bluetooth area, and then on the Series S, you just want to hold down this share icon here. Wait for the blinking to start, and you just want to see here Xbox wireless controller. Tap into this, and then pair your Xbox Series S controller to your phone or tablet. Now, once you've done that, you're going to do the same process, but on the Xbox Series S itself. Now, if this actually fails, by the way, that means the controller is faulty, because if it's not pairing to your phone or tablet, that just means the controller is faulty, and then obviously this next step isn't going to work. However, if this does work, what you're going to do is you're going to put the Xbox Series S controller back into pairing mode, just like so. And then once it's back into pairing mode, you're just going to click in this sync button here, and you're going to see the blinking should eventually stop on the Xbox Series S and the controller itself, and then that should solve the issue. So you can see here, if I press B, well, I mean, I probably should show you here, while I move around here, just like that, you can see everything's fully working, just like so. So if the controller is actually faulty, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a new one. Now, that may not sound the best, however, you can get, warranty. So what I head you over to is this website, which will be in the description. You can see this is the official Microsoft website. This is where you do a warranty claim. Just click in sign in to get service. You just bring the old controller and they'll give you a new one for free. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. So that only works up to a year. If this controller is over a year old, then you're basically screwed. The controller's faulty, not much you can do. And yeah, so really that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.